Stop, man. I don't want to do this no more. None of this. I want to just get out of the truck and walk away. I don't want to do any of it no more. I want to be a pizza delivery guy. So much easier. I'm about to pull it down Britney Spears and show my vagina. I ain't kidding you. Alright. To action. What's that guy doing? What did he go get? I want to know what he got. I want some cookies. Hey, Patty, it's Roger. Truck 301.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my God. This is my frustration right here. Today is my frustration. So let's talk about it if you got a minute. So we made it all the way to Barstow last night. Okay. My first delivery is at 5 a.m. this morning in City of Industry, California. It's an hour away. Okay. So that means you leave it. Okay. No, go ahead. Sure can. Oh, I just talked to Jerry. He don't want to hear this stuff again. Yeah. So, well, no, he gave me Tony's number to try to solve my problem, but this shouldn't be a problem because planners are. And I tried to call dispatch, and I tried to call Trina. So here it is. So 4 o'clock this morning, we had to leave by 4 o'clock this morning. That means you got to log in at 3:45 a.m. So calculate 12 hours. That would be 3:45 p.m. And you add 2 more hours. That's 14 hours. So at 5:45 p.m. today, I run out of a 14-hour clock. I have a 5:15 p.m. dock appointment with Albertsons in Irvine, California. Okay? There's absolutely no place around here to park.
Tell her we almost had the fence.
And I literally left the street with a cop writing tickets behind me. So we went over here to Walmart. We're sitting at Walmart. So I tried to deliver Albertsons. I've done all my stops today. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. They wouldn't take me early. So check this out. So by noon today, or noon 30, about 12:30, I had all my stops off except this one. So I should have had. First of all, this should have been planned when you have a 4 a.m. leave out, because you can't. As the driver, I'm going to run out of hours on the dock.